In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Cloudflare account password, whether you're taking precautionary steps to secure your account or simply need to update your credentials. These instructions will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. Firstly, let's head over to the Cloudflare homepage. This is your starting point, so make sure you're logged into your account using your current credentials. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. You'll notice a profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from the drop-down, you'll see a button labeled Profile. Click that option to navigate to your personal information and settings page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the tab or section that says Authentication. This section is critical as it handles the security features of your Cloudflare account, including your password settings. After you've clicked on the Authentication section, search for an option that says Change Password. This is where the actual resetting will begin. Clicking it prompts you to enter your old password as a security measure. Enter your old password carefully to avoid any errors. Now, it's time to choose your new password. When entering your new password, remember it should be strong and unique to prevent unauthorized access. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols usually works best. Make sure it's something you'll remember or have a secure way to store it. Once you've entered your new password, you need to hit the Save button to apply the changes. This step is crucial as it finalizes the resetting process. Once saved, your password is now updated. And there you have it, a simple yet essential procedure to reset your Cloudflare account password. If you ever forget your password, make sure to use the password recovery feature available on the login page, as this walkthrough assumes you already know your existing password. Always keep your account credentials private and secure, and consider updating your passwords regularly to enhance security further. Thank you for watching, and feel free to pause or replay the video if you need to follow along step by step. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.